Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Ranger LARIAT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the lovely Sport Appearance package. We do get rear park sensing in the back, backup camera. We got the nice Sport Appearance logo on the back as well, mud flaps on the rear, and front. We got blind spot detection, side view camera, a nice remote start, perfect for the cold winter months, with front view camera, recovery hooks, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back, storage, USB-C and USB-C, or yeah, with storage and cup holders right here. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat, powered passenger seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, power folding mirrors, memory seat for up to 3 drivers, lights, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 14 kilometers. Got this nice leather wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume voice, cruise control with lane centering, digital speedometer, RPMs with my view, trip and fuel, off-road, towing, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto stop, auto drive mode, traction, and your park sensing. You have your four-wheel drive, cup holders, more storage here, nice little phone slot with some outlets, center console with tons of storage underneath with a 12-volt. Your basic climate control is just right here with your hazards, storage below, above, with an upgraded B&O sound system. We got a nice powered rear window opener, pretty handy, and a nice big infotainment system. Climate controls at the bottom, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, and dual climate. Got your audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. We got your phone, your apps. We got navigation here. Pretty easy to use. You can search recent saves, zoom in and out, go into 3D, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, zone lighting, towing, and here's your vehicle settings. You got auto hold as well with a nice 360 view of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LE22590, and you can head on in to PG Ford or give us a call.